Welcome back, everyone. Well, the hot summer days are on our doorstep.
Always a good time to enjoy a nice, cool, fruity drink.
Julie Lowe recently stopped by our Better Kitchen to mix up a watermelon-based cocktail using Ciroc Vodka. Take a look.
Hey, it's Julie Lowe. Summer is here and watermelon is hot. This versatile fruit is inexpensive, everybody loves it, and you'll find it in the grocery store. So for that next summer party, get creative. Watermelon sculptures, kebabs. You can even use a cube slicer to make it easy. Available at any kitchen supply store. And for a delicious summer cocktail, try the watermelon up and down. This is so simple. First, get your new limited edition Ciroc Summer Watermelon Vodka. Pour some in a shaker. Add a little bit of lemon lime soda, about 5 ounces or so. Do a little shake. Strain it into a highball glass. There we go. Looks good already. Add a splash of cranberry juice. I like a lot, actually. There we go. A little bit of garnish, and gorgeous. For more refreshing ways to celebrate summer, visit julielowe.com.